In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove a channel from your bookmarks. So if you had started a channel or added it to quick to access bookmarks, then you can simply remove it by following these simple steps. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so if you go under starred, you'll be able to see all the channels that you had starred or bookmarked. For my case, I have one. However, I like to go ahead and remove it from this starred or bookmark. To do so, just right click on the channel and then click on view channel details, and you'll see we have a bookmark or a star mark on this channel here. If you click on it, now you can go ahead and click on it to uncheck it, and this will go ahead and remove it from the starred or from the bookmark. Now if I go back, now you can see under starred or bookmarks there is no channel. So that's how you can remove a channel from bookmarks or starred in Slack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.